September 2nd, card opening. This is having a hard time focusing. The occasional stuff that I thought open up something to add something to the channel, even though I'm not opening at a regular basis. I did get a interesting mail piece I thought you would appreciate, so I'll go ahead and start that. We have a Harmon Killebrew rookie card. PSA, or it's not even PSA one, it's just a PR1. What's each like? Vintage? I thought you would like some vintage. Okay, next we'll open up two things and I have a blaster box. Topps Series 1. We've opened up plenty of this, so we won't spend too much time with it. Sept Pop, Vidal Brujan. Two cards there. And finally, last I got this in my Jazz fan box, two of these. I thought I'd open one up this Friday. I don't think I'd ever buy this directly, but it's 3 packs, 4 cards, so it's 12 cards. We'll see what this is worth. That's left within the blasters. Pretty pathetic though. This is silver refractor. This one's pretty though. Not numbered, but a nice looking card. Should get 3 of those. One of each one. Charlie Blackman, Drew Ellis, Jake Myers, Yadi Molina. We're getting them organized here. And one last one. Harrison Bader, Kilba, Josh Hader, and John Carlos Stanton. So, now you see, the base is nothing too interesting here. I mean, the base is pretty solid. I guess JD. Oh, this is a rookie JD. Benito is the silver. Some line going down Sandy Alcantara right there. Otherwise, quality-wise, looks to be okay. Let's look at the silver again, a little closer. Looks pretty good. And the rookies slash parallels. Drew Ellis looks pretty good. Josh Hader. Jake Myers. Thomas. We'll see. Anyway. That's all for today. Y'all take care.